This is pretty much a grenade. Oh, crap. What if I told you this little cylinder that's no bigger than my finger can expand into a fully fledged metal bow staff in under like half a second? It's like a bullet. Christ. It's dangerous. And what it is, it's just a big coiled piece of metal, and when you click this out, there's nothing to hold it from uncoiling, so it just uncoils all the metal. You see like those little coils? Why is it always raining whenever I want to film a video? Every time. It's completely sunny until I have time to make a vlog, and then it just decides to... God damn it! How many sparklers do I have left? 5 sparklers, really? Out of 20? We were making our way down to a tunnel that Nathan and I both know of, and we were gonna try some long exposure photography in there using the sparklers. Well, we were gonna try and get into that tunnel, but there is, it's kind of flooded. I've been here since, yeah, we shot my HSC film here.
Year and a half, yeah.
Year and a half, yeah. In that tunnel right there, and around this area. It was a horror film. So we're gonna leave this for now. We'll come back here for another video when it's not flooded. Go for it.
Dude, what the hell?
What?
Is that it?
It's raining a lot. You getting it? Oh, my bag's getting f***ing drenched. Oh my god.
Can't I just pack it up?
Yep, it's getting worse. Oh.
Try and get Sora undercover.
Yep. Is my bag getting wetter? Or is it okay?
Just keep moving.
It's got my stuff in it. That was the most terrifying experience of my life. Oh, it's so wet. Well, this video went to really fast. Good news is the rain has stopped. Bad news is if it starts again.
I mean, we know what to do.
If you guys like these types of videos, don't forget to subscribe. I will be your friend forever. Thank you, sir. Round 2. It looks so sick. Yeah. Okay, that is the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. The photos, they looked really unique and cool, and they turned out better than I expected, considering the obstacles that we faced during the shoot. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Yeah, there they go. Oh, fuck.